Welcome to ADNAN LATIF Animations. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from single image. This is the website that Kaedim app. You can search in on to the Google, and also I have link in the description. So we need to create a first 3D model. This is the all features of this website. You can create 3D model from this website. This needs to be update all 3D models. I have only basics, so I'm going to use just one credit. One credit is equal to $20 in this website. So this is basically paid website, but the result is outstanding. So I am going to first need to be upload a single image to create a 3D model. If you like my videos, please subscribe to Non-Thief Animations. You have already seen my channel many other ways of image to 3D model using AI generation. So keep subscribed to Non-Thief Animations. So I have a 3D model source image. Why this is the image of fish. I am going to this is you can see this is the image of 3D model. I want to be a 3D model this image, so you can see this is the image of fish. We need exactly that 3D model. So this is the client project. I am going to upload image in here this website, and now start the process to create 3D model. So first I type the name of this 3D model. I type the fish, and then you can adjust the height. Also select the tag and polygon. So I'm click on hit generate. So the generation process is now started. I have already made other models and also create other videos on my channel. So this is you can see this is the in progress. It takes time, so you can see this is the model is generated. Wow, it's unbelievable. So you can see this is 3D model of fish is very accurate. This is the one credit. If you want to be get an ultra result, so select core credits. Now I'm going to approve geometry. First I show the geometry. After approving geometry, you can see this is the model is filled. Model is very good, accurate result. So now I'm going to download this GLB and GLTF also object file and click to download. Also select that image. So you can see I have downloaded all 3D models as a zip file. Save in my disk and then check it out. Go to the Blender. So go to the folder which I have downloaded and extract this zip file. If you like my videos, please subscribe with Non-Thief Animations. You can see another completely free sources. So check other videos. This is the 3D model GLTF, GLB and also the image file which is removed background by this Kaedim app. So I'm going to Blender and drag and drop this file into the Blender. So you can see this is the very good and accurate result of this 3D model. You can use your animations anywhere. So I'm going to check the topology. keep subscribing on LATIF animation so you can see the edit mode. I have this nice topology of this 3D model. It's a very good result, very impressive. So thanks for watching, keep subscribing, and till to the next video.